What is up, hustlers, go-getters, sharks, and of course my fellow crypto lifestylers? I got something to show you guys. Check this out. Check this out. Boom! What is that? Something else. Boom! It's the crypto lifestyle, baby. So fresh and so clean. Hey, you guys let me know, how do I look in this Paxful gear, man? I think I look pretty darn fresh, but hey, you guys let me know in the comment section below. Anyhow, so for the past week, I have not uploaded a video to YouTube because I don't want you guys to think I'm just dinking around. Look, man, I've been putting my head down, going to work, doing some fabulous research. It's so fabulous when you actually take the time to research things and find out new shit, man. So I'm very excited, but I gotta tell you guys, okay? Everybody who's part of my team already knows this information, okay? I am not going to be uploading any more unique special tactics or strategies on how to make money on Paxful anymore, okay? I kind of messed up with the Amazon route, okay? That was working fine all the time. It still is, but it kind of blowed up. The moment I put that on there, everybody abused it, and you know, that route it's not fully blown up. You can still do it, but it's not as sexy as it once was, all right? However, there are tons of other special ways just like that is not listed as Paxful's, you know, one of the 389 ways to make money. These are unique methods that people have tapped into through trial and error, months and years, okay? And I'll tell you guys something right now. Those who are on my team, we already shared this with each other. You guys already know what's up. If I take every one of these secret ways to make money on Paxful and go online on YouTube with it, guess what? It's not going to be secret anymore, right? And it's not going to be as lucrative anymore, because when everybody knows about it, that's when shit gets watered down pretty much. So guys, that's what I gotta tell you. I'm not going to be making videos on that publicly. If you guys want to know this information though, do message me on Telegram at The Crypto Lifestyle. If you're a part of my team, you get a lot of benefits as well, guys. Click the description in the description box below, rather, and in the comment section below. There will be my link. Click that link, follow the basic instructions, sign up. You guys get $5 worth of Bitcoin. I get $5 worth of Bitcoin. You also get expedited disputes. So we can get into all of that later on, but this video is not really about that. It's really to tell you guys that, yeah, I would not be making content on that information because it's not going to work in the long run, okay, guys? I'm going to keep that to myself. I'm going to keep it to my team. And for those who message me and want in on this action, we can work something out as well, okay, guys? So I'm telling you right now, man, we tapped into a way where it's going to be ideally BTC in, BTC out all day long, man. That's the type of shit we do here, all right? That's what we do on this channel, man, okay? We live that crypto lifestyle by any means necessary. So if this makes sense to you, let me know by smashing like, and also comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit me up on Telegram at The Crypto Lifestyle. So you know what? There really isn't much left to say other than, actually, there is one last thing to say. My next video, I'm going to be doing on coin lockers. If you don't know what a coin locker is, you'll want to watch this video. And if you do know what a coin locker is, you still want to watch this video, because I want to teach you a few things that, you know, you can mitigate this, right? So, trust me, more value to come in the next video. So until then, you're on your own. Later.
I'm the shit, you ain't shit, you a bitch buying ads cause the only way you know to get hits. I gotta be honest, man, I don't understand it. Your content ain't up to par, I think we all demand it. Your shit lies, I know you feel shit inside. TCL lifestyle, you can beat mine. You don't want the smoke, bring it cause it's eat time. You don't know this crypto life, you tried it cause the buzz high. Fake YouTubers and fake gas ammo. It's the crypto lifestyle, don't fake the shit on your channel. Content created came from TCL. You hate hard, but you know I'm gonna wish you well.